Okay, I'm going to show you the alternative method whereby you use concept of the gradient. Let's say this is a CD, right? This is a CD. There's a point E. Point E. This one is the -8, and this one we got already, which is -3. Just now we got already -3 is -4, 8, right? This is -4, 8 for point C. This point is -3, 0, and this point D is -12, -6. So I'm going to show you where is a point P. Let's say the moving point P, it moved that such that its condition is the right angle from C to D must be always perpendicular. So I'm going to sketch out the path of the movement of the, let's say the point P is here, XY. The condition is when the P move, it must make sure P to the point C and the P to the point D is always perpendicular, because the condition is CPD equal to 90 degree, right? This here is 90. So I can say that I'm going to find the gradient. Okay, I'm going to find the gradient for the line, perpendicular line, right? So if I find here M1 is equal to y minus, here is -6, right? Plus 6 over x. This is -12 plus 12. And then I'm going to find the M2. This is the M2. Right, M2 I'm going to use y minus 8. M2 is y minus 8, and then x plus 4. This x here -4 plus 4. If I take these two gradient and multiply, okay, I can say that they are perpendicular. So I'm going to show you by using gradient we also can get the answer. So let me show you. Okay, so this is the path. This is a point E. So M1 times M2 equal to -1. Why? Because perpendicular. So y plus 6 over x plus 12 multiplied by y minus 8 over x plus 4 should be equal to -1. Right? -1. So I'm going to expand. So it's y plus 6 and then y minus 8 equal to negative, the whole thing with the bracket. Okay, let me erase. Negative, this is -1, this one is -1. -1 x plus 12 x plus 4. Okay, so I'm going to expand y squared minus 8y plus 6y minus 48 is equal to negative x squared plus 4 plus 16x plus 48. Right? Looks at both sides also got 48. So if I simplify further, I will get the y squared minus 8 minus 2y, right? Minus 2y. Okay, minus 48 equal to negative x squared minus 16x minus 48. Looks like I can cancel out of minus 48. So the equation of the locus looks very simple, which is if I bring over this thing, x squared plus the y squared minus 2y plus 16x equal to 0. This is the answer for the locus equation. So no matter how you do, you get x squared plus y squared plus 16x minus 2y equal to 0. Either you use a gradient perpendicular M1 M2 equal to -1, or you can use a concept of the distance, which is using the radius. Right? That's all my sharing for the locus equation. So the final answer is this one, x squared plus y squared minus 2y plus 16x equal to 0. Remember, equal to 0 is a must to write. That's all my sharing about locus equation. Okay, then finally, for the locus equation, you can consider using the M1. This is M1, this is the M2. Because the triangle is actually forming the right angle, like this. Right, so the triangle is having the right angle, making a right angle at the point P. So we can use M1, M2 equal to -1, or else you can use the concept of the radius, because the point here, midpoint, can be found and it was given. You can use the concept of the radius using the point -8, 1 here, and this point was given. This point is given, so you can use a radius to find, also no problem. So if you use a gradient, it will be the same, the answer. So make sure you write equal to 0 for locus equation.